Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0703, indicates a malfunction of the brake pedal position switch in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This error signifies that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an unusual on-off signal from the brake pedal position switch. The brake pedal position switch serves a crucial role in signaling to the PCM whether the brake pedal is applied or not, aiding in vehicle performance and safety. Typically located near the brake pedal assembly, any malfunction in this component can lead to significant driving issues. The PCM monitors the status of the switch continuously, and if it observes a persistent on or off signal under specific conditions, it records this error. Understanding this DTC and its implications is essential for maintaining vehicle performance and preventing further damage. For ongoing vehicle reliability and to prevent the recurrence of DTC P0703, adherence to preventive maintenance is essential. Regularly inspect the brake pedal position switch and associated wiring to catch any wear or damage early. It's advisable to periodically check the electrical connections for signs of corrosion or loose terminals, as they can significantly influence operability. Keeping these components in good working order helps ensure the PCM receives accurate data and enhances overall performance. Scheduling routine vehicle diagnostics can help monitor systems effectively, allowing for timely maintenance that fosters durability and prevents unexpected failures. A proactive approach in this regard can extend the operational life of critical vehicle components. In conclusion, resolving DTC P0703 requires a systematic approach that identifies possible causes, including wiring issues and switch malfunctions. Following a structured troubleshooting protocol ensures that all potential issues are addressed, facilitating an accurate diagnosis. Essential steps include inspecting the brake pedal position switch, evaluating wiring integrity, and testing component functionality. After repairs, the verification process guarantees that the problem has been resolved before returning the vehicle to service. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in sustaining vehicle performance, enabling drivers to minimize future problems. Through diligence and systematic diagnosis, technicians can maintain the reliability and safety of the Honda Accord, ultimately providing peace of mind on the road. The error P0703 is related specifically to the brake pedal position switch, which is vital in communicating the brake status to the PCM. The switch is located within the driver's compartment, near the brake pedal, and it operates by changing its electrical state in response to the pedal's position. The PCM relies on this switch to determine if the brakes are being applied or released, thereby affecting engine management and transmission control. When the vehicle is in motion, if the PCM continues to receive the same signal, it may wrongly conclude that the switch is not functioning correctly, leading to the code being stored. Other components, such as the accelerator pedal position sensor and keyless access control unit, can influence the operation of this switch, highlighting the integrated nature of vehicle component systems. These intricacies emphasize the importance of a thorough diagnosis when encountering this DTC. Several potential causes can lead to DTC P0703. An open BKSWNC brake pedal position switch circuit signifies a break or poor connection within the wiring, which can prevent the proper signal from being sent to the PCM. Additionally, a short-to-power condition arises when the circuit inadvertently connects to the power source, causing incorrect signals. Conversely, a short-to-ground may cause the switch to misreport its status, leading to erroneous readings at the PCM. A stuck brake switch may occur if the mechanical parts are jammed or worn out, inhibiting their expected movement and functionality. Lastly, a failure within the switch itself can transmit inconsistent signals, further complicating the situation. It's crucial to check these aspects during troubleshooting to accurately diagnose and rectify the problem. Symptoms associated with DTC P0703 can vary based on the underlying cause of the issue. One major symptom may be an unresponsive brake system, leading to safety risks while driving. Drivers might also notice that the malfunction indicator light, MIL, does not illuminate, even when a serious issue is present, which can be misleading and dangerous. In some cases, there may be inconsistent acceleration as the PCM struggles to interpret the correct signal from the brake pedal switch. These symptoms indicate that timely diagnostic investigations are essential to avoid potential accidents or further vehicle damage. A clear understanding of these symptoms can help drivers and technicians prioritize their attention towards the brake pedal position switch and its related circuits. The first step in troubleshooting a DTC P0703 is to check for any pending DTCs using an onboard Diagnostics OBD-II scan tool. Start by connecting the tool to the vehicle's OBD-II port, typically located under the dashboard. Once connected, review the stored codes to see if any related codes accompany P0703, which could provide insights regarding other existing issues. If a pending DTC is present, acknowledging it is crucial for understanding the full context of the malfunction. This step sets a foundational understanding of the vehicle's current status and ensures that all potential issues are accounted for before proceeding with further diagnostics. The next troubleshooting step involves inspecting the brake pedal position switch itself for any visible issues. It is essential to ensure that there are no mechanical obstructions inhibiting its movement. Intact functionality of this switch is integral to proper braking performance, and any physical barriers could lead to erratic signal transmission to the PCM. Ensure that the switch engages and disengages smoothly with the pedal's motion, and check for any signs of physical damage or wear. This inspection can prevent further complications and ensure that the switch operates under optimal conditions, allowing for accurate communication with the PCM. In this third troubleshooting step, attention shifts to the wiring and connectors associated with the brake pedal position switch. Look for any signs of fraying, breakage, or corrosion that may contribute to an open or short circuit in the BKSWNC line. Confirm that all connectors are secure and free from dirt or moisture, which could hinder signal transmission. A thorough examination of the circuit can reveal hidden issues affecting performance. Employ a multimeter to verify continuity and resistance in the wiring, ensuring that electrical current is flowing correctly. This step is critical before considering component replacement, as resolving wiring issues may rectify the malfunction. The fourth step involves testing the brake pedal position switch directly to assess its functionality. Utilize a multimeter to measure the electrical resistance of the switch in both the on and off positions. Typically, a functional switch will present a definitive change in resistance in response to pedal movement. If the readings are outside the specified parameters according to the service manual, it may indicate that the switch is faulty. If the tests confirm the switch is unable to operate correctly, replacing the switch becomes necessary to restore proper function. Accurate testing of the switch can help affirm whether a new component is warranted or if troubleshooting should continue elsewhere. After making repairs, it's critical to perform a final verification to ensure that DTC P0703 is resolved. Begin by clearing any stored DTCs with the OBD-II scan tool, which resets the diagnostic system and allows it to record new data. Following this, conduct a test drive, simulating conditions that would typically produce the DTC, such as driving at varying speeds and applying the brakes. Monitor the PCM data to confirm that the brake pedal position switch is reporting correctly without storing any new codes. A successful verification indicates that the issue has been addressed effectively, ensuring safe and reliable vehicle operation. Proper assessment at this stage confirms whether all repairs were adequate or if further intervention is needed. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.